Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is
S u v a u plus x y v minus b u v into x dot x minus t s d slash 1 c y x y e into a 4 marks. Determine each of the sets by first u with first x y 3 follow into s 4 follow into u v follow into vi follow into x 7 follow into y for each element belonging to the set follow w e is u v x y. Give the derivation starting from s where z occurs directly after w. If z is eos, give a derivation starting from s where in the resulting string w occurs as the last symbol. This is not required for the first minus sets. B. 2 marks. Does the grammar allow the use of recursive-descent parsing? Justify your answer using your answer from part A minus. Please be specific and give a detailed answer. The answer of the question is determine the first and follow sets. Given grammar S arrow u v u arrow x v arrow y x arrow a x arrow b u v x y arrow c y arrow dsc. First sets first into uv first and u and y first u and first x is because u arrow x first x is equal to a b from x arrow a and x arrow b u v, so first u is equal to a b. Therefore first u v is equal to first u is equal to into a by since u is not nullable. Pause to the video and go to the calculations. The grammar does not show obvious conflicts or ambiguities, so it can be parsed using recursive-descent parsing provided it is properly factored and does not have direct or indirect left recursion. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I'll be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.